Sober reality. Over the weekend, a member of the Kern County Sheriff's Office was arrested after allegedly causing 2 crashes while driving under the influence. Bakersfield police officers took the lieutenant home the first time, and just hours later, they say the lieutenant drove drunk again. Here's 17's Jenny Huh with more.
The lieutenant was involved in 2 back-to-back DUI incidents on Sunday. This intersection of 7th Standard Road and Coffee Road is where the second incident, a hit-and-run, occurred.
Number one, he's violated the public's trust.
That's community reaction to 45-year-old Kern Detentions Lieutenant Patrick McNeil being arrested for DUI over the weekend. McNeil, on 2 separate occasions in the same day, allegedly drove drunk and collided into other vehicles. The first at Stockdale Highway and Allen Road in southwest Bakersfield. BPD, which is handling this criminal investigation, says no injuries resulted.
And they identified Mr. McNeil as one of the involved parties and developed a probable cause to believe he was operating his vehicle while intoxicated.
BPD says officers cited McNeil with a misdemeanor, towed his car, and took him home. 17 News asked if reaction like that to a DUI is common. BPD says officers considered,
do we have a place where they can be safe? Is there somebody there who can potentially take care of them? Or are they in a condition themselves where they can take care of themselves? And additionally, how does removing an officer from the street and booking this individual potentially for hours, as that process may take, impact our ability to respond to emergencies on the street?
But then,
just a couple hours later, just after 2 p.m., we received an additional report at the McDonald's in the 3500 block of Merle Haggard of a reported hit and run.
It was again Lieutenant Patrick McNeil driving a different vehicle involved in a hit and run at Coffee and 7th Standard Roads. BPD says there were at least 2, a woman and a 16-year-old who was taken to the hospital with complaints of pain. In both crashes, McNeil was driving alone. BPD says within the hour, they located McNeil at the Laredo pre-trial facility where he works and eventually booked him for
DUI as well as misdemeanor hit and run.
McNeil is no longer in custody. BPD says it cannot release McNeil's blood alcohol concentration at this time.
Just because Lieutenant McNeil has a badge and a gun that's issued to him by his department, he is not above the law. He should go to jail, period.
BPD says McNeil's status as law enforcement had no influence on the investigation. KCSO says McNeil is on administrative leave but did not answer if it's paid or unpaid. Jenny Huh, 17 News.